Thanks for staying with us. Let's do some more stories. Now, the Kaneshie District Court has issued a bench warrant for the arrest of MP for Madina Francis Xavier Sosu. The MP was absent in court for the third consecutive time when the case was called. His lawyer, Victor Kojogan Adaudu, told the court that Mr. Sosu is attending to parliamentary duty as the Constitutional and Legal Affairs Committee resumes public sittings on the anti-LGBTQ plus bill. The court, presided over by His Worship Oheneba Kufuor, granted a request to issue a bench warrant for the arrest of the MP after the prosecution, led by Assistant Superintendent of Police Sylvester Sari, said Sosu did not want to appear before the court. Mr. Francis Xavier Sosu had not been to court to answer any charges against him since the case was initiated. At the last hearing on Tuesday, November 16, the legislator failed to show up in court as he is still out of, or he was said to be out of the jurisdiction for parliamentary duties. Now, lawyer Victor Kojogan Adaudu has been speaking. He represents Francis Xavier Sosu.
The court has issued a bench warrant. He wanted a different thing to happen, but the court granted it. What were you telling the court this morning?
Oh, I was just telling the court that the bill, that's the anti-gay bill, the people who are attracted to the same side, the same side, those who are attracted is on that bill, and they're having committee meeting this morning, and it is open knowledge. And we have told the court that that's why he can't come. He's on national duty, so he can't come. The court says that, the prosecution says that if he doesn't come, we've demonstrated we don't want him. That's all. He's ready to fight his court, and we will fight the court. But exercising a right that the law grants you by filing a motion and others, does not stop the court from saying that we cannot exercise that right. So we will come back to this court. This issue that we will advise ourselves. We will come back to the court. If it is true that he is in the parliamentary committee or he's not born for the parliamentary committee, I think it is best for the public to judge whether he went there or he didn't go there. Right. I have told the court what I know, and I have integrity, I have credibility, and I'm sure the Honorable Sosu would love to have been here, but because of the duty in Parliament and the position as the deputy ranking, he could not come. That is why we have come to. So I'm sure that we've been truthful, and if that will be punished for being truthful, I don't think that it is. So we'll see what we do.